Hi everyone and welcome. So in the previous couple of videos we have covered the installation guide of our NeuronEX Industrial Age Data Hub platform, that how to install NeuronEX in the Raspberry Pi, okay, how to pull and run the NeuronEX image in the Docker, how to download, install and run the NeuronEX in the Linux operating system using tar.gz file. Now in this video, we will understand after installing what you can do with the NeuronEX, what is the possibilities with the NeuronEX and the NeuronEX architecture. Okay, so that thing we are going to cover in this video, and in the future videos, we will see how to read the data from OPC UA server, OPC DA server, Modbus devices and everything. Okay, so here is the architecture of NeuronEX software. So centrally, we have the NeuronEX software, which can connect to different OT system, and then it will able to send the data to different IT system. Okay, so NeuronEX can connect with the PLC, smart devices, CNC machines, SCADA, everything. Okay, and it will collect the data from those OT system, and it will send the data to Azure, AWS, MQTT, okay, various platform. So if you open the NeuronEX main page, then you will have two options: South apps and North apps, or you can say South devices or North apps. So South devices in the sense your OT devices. Okay, so whatever PLC you have, whatever Modbus devices you have, whatever OPC UA server you have, that all will come under the South devices. Okay, and in the North apps you have your IT system like MQTT, AWS, Azure, eCuper, everything. So if you open the NeuronEX web page and if you try to add the device, then it will give you the plugins. So this much of plugin you have, okay, and using this much of plugin you can connect with so many system. You can see BACnet IP, KNX Net IP, okay, CNC machines, Codices, PLC, MT Connect, and you can see Modbus TCP, RTU, OPC UA, Ethernet IP, LMW, Micrologics 4.400, 5500. Okay, every driver is available for Siemens as well, okay, for Omron as well. So you can use this plugin to connect with those system, okay, and that we call South devices. And after you configure your South devices, you can send your South device data to somewhere else, which we call North devices in the terminology of Neuron. Okay, so in the North apps, you will have few apps, okay, you can see. In the plugins, you have MQTT, AWS IoT, Azure IoT, Sparkplug B, WebSocket, eCuper, and this is something new. Okay, so this is the North apps where we want to send the data after reading the data from South devices. Okay, so this is the basic architecture of this NeuronEX platform. So you can collect your data from various industrial devices, and you can see the plugins available here, and then after you can send your data to different IT systems. Okay, so that's all the basic of the NeuronEX software, and we are going to use the NeuronEX software to connect with different OPC server, different Modbus devices in the future videos. Okay, and there are so many things in the Neuron that we are going to cover in the future videos. Okay, and if you visit the NeuronEX dashboard, then here you can see the data processing, sources, rules, extension, configuration, every other option you have available. You can explore those options. Also, we are going to create videos about those options in the future. Okay, now our main focus is the South devices and North apps. So we will connect with our physical OT devices or simulator devices using Neuron, and we are going to read the data, and then we will send the data to North apps. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos, and I hope the diagram, or you can say the architecture of this NeuronEX software is clear. I mean, it's an alternative of, you can say, CAP server software or Cogent Data Hub software. It's a lightweight, so you can install in the Raspberry Pi as well. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt in this architecture, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, we are going to cover so many things about this NeuronEX software in the future videos, so stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.